Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to 16, then find the value of x. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of x from this equation. So student, our given equation is 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to 16. So student, to find the value of x from this equation, we have to write the left hand side and right hand side in same form. Then we are able to find the value of x. So student, now we can write from this equation 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to, so student, in the place of 16 we can write in here 25 minus 9. So student, we have to make the same base on both sides. That's why on the left hand side again we have to write 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write the exponential form of 25 and 9. So we can write in here 5 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2. So student, in this equation on the left hand side here is 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x, and on the right hand side here is 5 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2. So student, in this equation on both sides base are same, but in the place of power, so here is x and on the right hand side here is 2. So after comparing on both sides of this equation we can write in here x is equal to 2. So student, to check this solution correct or wrong, so we can put the value of x is equal to 2 on the left hand side of this equation. So student, our left hand side of the given equation is 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x. So after putting the value of x in this algebraic expression, we can write in here 5 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2. So we can write in here 5 to the power 2, that is 25, minus 3 square, that is 9. So student, now we can subtract 9 from 25, then you get 16, which is right hand side. So we can write in here left hand side is equal to right hand side, proved. So student, it is clear that x equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you.